All right, example 3. In the triangle to the right, which we can tell is a right triangle because it has that box, woohoo for the box, we have RT, which is the hypotenuse, being equal to 27, and we have ST being 10. Find RS to the nearest 10th. Okay, so again, I have not a single mention of an angle, so I know I'm using that Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And not only do I not have a mention of an angle, but there's also no other information. Like I don't have the perimeter or anything like that I could do something with. So again, it's just important that this guy is my C value because it's my hypotenuse, this 27 across from that right angle. So in for C, we're putting 27 squared. And then ST is just one of those. It doesn't matter. I'm going to put it in as A so that we can find B squared. So we're going to say that we're going to use RS is going to be equal to B in this situation. All right, so mathing, right? 10 squared is just 100 plus B squared, right? That's what we're looking for. 27 squared is not something that I know off the top of my head. 729. And again, now we just solve for that B. We're going to solve for B. B is prevented from being by itself by both the squared and that plus 100, but the plus 100 needs to move first. So I'm going to subtract that 100 to both sides, leaving me with good old B squared is equal to 629. And just like we did in the previous problem, we're using that square root to get rid of the squared. Square roots undo C, we'll just use X, undo X squareds. So go ahead, square root the B squared, square root the 629 now, and we have that B is equal to second square of 629, and that is 25.079. 25.079 ... All right, and they asked me to round to the nearest tenth. So RS is equal to 25. This is the tenths. The 7 tells me to go up. 25.1. Using that Pythagorean theorem.